Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a feature in Salesforce called Action Buttons and Flows. Whether you're an admin, developer, or just getting started with Salesforce automation, this feature can make your user interfaces much more interactive and your workflows much more streamlined. And, with the Winter 25 release, there are some exciting new enhancements that will blow your mind. In simple terms, an action button is a clickable button within a screen flow that performs a specific action when clicked by the user. It allows users to interact with the flow, trigger processes, and move through stages of a workflow. For example, you might have a button that says Submit, Next, or Save. Each of these buttons is tied to an action like saving data, moving to the next screen, or calling an external service. Exciting Winter 25 upgrades are here for action buttons in Salesforce. Now you can control dynamic visibility, showing buttons based on user input, flow conditions, or profiles. Plus, trigger multiple actions from one button, like updating records or sending emails. And for longer tasks, progress indicators like loading spinners keep users informed while the process runs. These enhancements make action buttons more efficient and user-friendly than ever. I've already created a flow called Get Products, which suggests the product based on lead information like product type, etc. First, let me walk you through the auto-launched flow that will be triggered by the action button. This flow is designed to suggest the product based on lead information. Once the flow is triggered, it will return the product details based on lead information, which will then display in the screen flow. Now, let's dive into the screen flow. I've added an action button, labeled Suggest Product, which is dynamically visible only when there's a product type value on the lead. This ensures the button is only clickable when it's relevant to the user. When clicked, the button triggers the Get Products flow, passing the lead record as input. While the flow is running, a loading symbol appears on the button to keep the user informed that their request is being processed. Once the flow completes, the products related to the lead are displayed right on the same screen in a data table element, no page reloads or navigation required. The table dynamically updates to show the products returned by the flow. And that's a wrap. As you can see, action buttons in Salesforce Flows are a powerful way to create interactive, efficient, and automated user experiences. With the Winter 25 enhancements like dynamic visibility, multi-action capabilities, and progress indicators, this feature is even more powerful than ever before. So, if you're looking to streamline your workflows and enhance user interactions in Salesforce, action buttons are a must-try. Thanks for watching.